In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly withdraw money on your Sportsbet app on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so go ahead and open up your Sportsbet account as you normally would, and you'll be brought to your home page here of Sportsbet. And now from here, you want to click onto More, which is located bottom right-hand corner of the page here. And then under My Account, look for Withdraw. So click in Withdraw. And now you can choose select withdrawal method. So at the moment I've only got one, which is my PayPal account. If you want to add bank details, go ahead and click on to add bank details. And as they state here, which is new at this time of recording, bank transfers are now faster. So if your withdrawals are now faster with a Sportsbet, funds should reach your bank account within a few hours, which is quite handy. And now from here, if you want to add bank details, go ahead and click on add bank details. Put in your account holder name, BSB number, account number, and you can enter withdrawal amount. Put that in, and then say if you want to withdraw 50 bucks, just put 50 in here. And then, because you've got all this information filled out here, which I'm not going to do, and then click on withdraw. And then your funds should hit your bank account as they stated back here within a few hours.